Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Jersey City. In Jersey City, one of the most frustrating parts of daily life for many residents, like Kate Stapleton, is parking their cars within the parameters of the city's 4 times a week street sweeping rules. If you fail to park legally, that's a $50 alternate side parking ticket. 30 April 2016.
Make your mark, take our lead.
For example, if you are convicted of driving or parking an unregistered motor vehicle, violation 39-3-4, you will be subjected to a fine equal to the flat rate of $54. The fine is spelled out right there in the law, not exceeding $100, and the courts have decided the fine will be set at $54.
Let's help you make your mark.
Your best bet is to write them a letter. You have nothing to lose. Consider the $50 gone and set it aside for the ticket until you receive a response. The best feeling is you get the response back from the city informing you that they do not find you guilty. Great, you now have an extra $50.
Take our lead.
Street sweeping will resume townwide on Monday, March 8, 2021. However, alternate side of the street parking rules will only be enforced on Kearny Avenue. Townwide enforcement will begin on all routes on March 15, 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.